Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome back here again. Today we're going to take a look at this other small case that was sent out to me by Start RC. This is a memory card case. Now, if you guys are like me and you do a lot of photo, video, editing work, things like that, this is really going to come in handy because I misplace my memory cards all the time. So having something like this, guys, is a win. So let's go ahead and take a look at exactly what we get. Let me see if I can get this box open. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we get in the box. So it comes with the little carabiner that you guys can see here. That's really nice if you want to hang this on your backpack or something like that. Really nice. So here is the actual case. As you guys can see, it's small, it's compact, but you know, it should work for most applications. So your little carabiner is just going to clip on like this. And again, like I said, you can hang this inside of your bag, which would be the most practical application. So it has a little hinge system here. You're just going to pop open like so. Open this guy up, and there are all of your slots for your different cards. Let's see what we got here. We have an ejection tool right here like you would use like for a phone. That's nice that they include that with it as well. And most of your small TF cards are going to fit in here. I have a lot of them for my drones and other cameras that I use. So being able to keep track of them. And you could even develop a system where you use the top ones for, say, for instance, ones that are not used, and then the bottom section here for ones that you've already filled up. So that, in my mind, is a very efficient way of using something like this. So again, really nice design. Snaps closed. I like that. The hinges on here look pretty good. I can't see any defects or imperfections, you know, but those are things that show up over time. But from what I can see right now, it opens and closes really easily. It has a nice kind of a rubbery feel to the material that's inside. So it should be able to hold your cards with no problem whatsoever. I like this design. I like having something like this that I can just throw in my camera bag. Because like I said, guys, I have a ton of cameras. I'm always on location. And I'm always, I know it sounds bad, but you know, on occasion I have been known to misplace small things, especially memory cards. So this is a great idea. I do have something similar to this that I've been using over the last year or so, and it's also been a very good product, but this gives me a little bit more room for more cards and a more practical system. So I thought I would share this with you guys. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If you guys are running into some of the same problems that I have when it comes to keeping track of your memory cards, this could be an excellent tool or an excellent accessory for you guys to take a look at. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.